Family-friendly kidney diet meals. Living with chronic kidney disease can be extra challenging without the support of your family, especially when it comes to adhering to the necessary diet and lifestyle changes. Your diet has significant impact on your health, so it's crucial to follow these recommendations closely. With proper planning and creative recipes, you can provide kidney-friendly meals for any stage of CKD without sacrificing flavor or convenience. This video will show you how to create delicious dishes tailored to CKD dietary needs that will satisfy the whole family. From kidney-friendly soups and stews to one-pan casseroles, mealtimes don't have to be stressful. Whether you're cooking for an individual needing renal nutrition or an entire household seeking more variety, these easy tips and tricks will help you prepare nourishing yet scrumptious meals in no time. You might be wondering about who I am and why I'm qualified to talk about this. If you're someone living with chronic kidney disease, I've got great news for you. Hello, I'm Mathea Ford, a registered dietitian nutritionist specializing in chronic kidney disease and owner of renaldiethq.com. I specialize in helping people just like you to improve their health by making simple yet delicious changes to your meals. Together, we can transform your eating habits, boost your overall well-being, and ensure that you're enjoying every bite along the way. Say goodbye to bland and boring meals and say hello to a healthier, more vibrant life. Let's get started on this incredible journey to better health together. Visit renaldiethq.com today and take the first steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Cooking for people with kidney disease can be challenging, but it doesn't have to be daunting. With careful planning and creativity, you can create delicious meals that adhere to the renal diet while being enjoyable to eat. Start by incorporating fresh fruits like apples and oranges into smoothies or baked goods, and vegetables like broccoli and spinach into soups, stews, casseroles, and salads. Whole grains like brown rice or bran cereals also make great additions to a kidney-friendly diet. Use salt substitutes like low salt broth instead of regular salt, and monitor dietary protein intake by portioning meals to control protein amounts. Look for recipes specifically designed for a kidney-friendly diet in cookbooks and on websites like renaldiethq.com, focusing on real nutrition. Options like light fish tacos and hearty vegetable stir fries offer plenty of culinary inspiration while keeping sodium levels in check. Pay attention to portion sizes and always check food labels before adding ingredients to your recipes, as not all low sodium foods meet the requirements for kidney patients. By taking these small steps, you can ensure that everyone enjoys flavorful and nutritious meals without compromising their health. Part of the home is a place for nourishment and comfort. Providing healthy meals that adhere to a kidney diet can be challenging, especially with picky eaters. However, with creativity and patience, you can make delicious meals that everyone will enjoy. Engaging smaller children with make-it-yourself meals can be a hit, as it allows them to have more control over their choices. Family-friendly kidney diet meals can include options like tacos, mini pizzas, and kabobs. For taco night, offer soft and hard tacos with fillings like fish or turkey, and toppings such as fresh veggies and a bit of shredded cheese. Mini pizzas using a pita or English muffins can be topped with unsalted pesto sauce. I have a recipe on my website. Grilled chicken and various vegetables. Kabobs with lean meats like shrimp or chicken, along with fresh vegetables, can be grilled or baked and served over rice or salad. Lean proteins like a skinless chicken breast marinated in herbs and spices can provide flavorful options without added sodium. Serve these alongside steamed broccoli and lemon juice. Pasta dishes can be made healthier with whole wheat pasta and kidney-friendly sauces like salt-free pesto or non-dairy cheese. I also have a red pepper sauce on my blog, so head on over to renaldiethq.com and check out the recipes. Adding lots of vegetables and fresh fruits can enhance the meal's nutritional value, making it both enjoyable and kidney-friendly. Preparing meals ahead of time can save you effort and ensure you have delicious kidney-friendly options ready to go. From make-ahead recipes to slow cooker dishes and freezer-friendly favorites, there are numerous ways to create easy renal dietitian approved meals for your family. One option is to prep ingredients in advance, such as dicing vegetables, marinating meats, and making sauces or dressings. Store these components in the refrigerator or freezer until it's time to cook, making quick meal assembly much simpler when you're short on time. Using a slow cooker is another way to keep meals simple. Just add all the ingredients into the pot and let it cook while you handle other tasks, ensuring dinner is ready on time and when everybody's home. These make-ahead methods will give you more control over your food and save valuable time, making nutritious and tasty meals a breeze. Let's not forget that the heart of the kidney diet usually requires you to cook more food at home, so making things easier to make at home is a big step forward in keeping with a kidney-friendly diet. Creating delicious and nutritious dishes for friends and family that are kidney-friendly can both be enjoyable and health conscious. Start with CKD-friendly appetizers like vegetable dip made with low sodium ingredients or fruit salad with honey yogurt dressing. For main courses, grill lean proteins such as chicken or fish to keep saturated fat levels low, and pair them with roasted vegetables and quinoa salads as side dishes. Unsalted popcorn can also be a fun snack option. Desserts can be kidney friendly without sacrificing taste. Unsweetened applesauce cupcakes or dark chocolate truffles prepared without added sugar make indulgent treats that won't aggravate CKD symptoms. Always provide food labels so guests can make informed choices and consider offering options like olive oil to lower saturated fat, white rice to reduce potassium, and a selection of white or whole wheat bread. Hosting events can be enjoyable for everyone, including those with kidney disease, by making a few easy swaps and tweaks. Keep condiments on the side to allow guests to control their own portions. With thoughtful planning, you can serve tasty and healthful dishes that accommodate all dietary needs and make any gathering special. Maintaining a healthy kidney-friendly diet requires a personalized approach rather than a one-size-fits-all solution. Focus on discovering meals that meet your specific dietary needs, whether you're gluten-free, vegan, or lactose intolerant. Substitutions like quinoa for rice, almond milk for cow's milk, and tofu for chicken can help create inclusive and delicious meals suitable for various diets. Using alternatives doesn't mean compromising on flavor. Ingredients like nutritional yeast can add a cheesy taste without dairy, making dishes enjoyable for everyone. Reach out to family members or friends with unique dietary requirements for their favorite recipes or ingredient suggestions to ensure everyone feels included and comfortable at gatherings. By being creative and planning ahead, you can create inclusive meals that cater to every palate while maintaining a worry-free dining experience. Cooking delicious meals that meet diverse dietary needs allows everyone to enjoy the moment and feel equally valued. A kidney-friendly diet for diabetics or those with CKD can be both healthy and enjoyable. With the right ingredients and cooking techniques, you can create delicious meals that satisfy the whole family. Think of it like putting together a puzzle where each piece fits perfectly to form a complete picture. Using creativity, ordinary ingredients can be transformed into flavorful dishes. Experimenting with spices and herbs adds zest without compromising nutrition. Additionally, plenty of online resources can help you adjust recipes to meet other dietary needs, such as gluten-free or vegan diets. Overall, following a kidney-friendly diet doesn't mean sacrificing taste or quality. With the right strategies and knowledge, you can prepare tasty dishes that provide essential nutrients while staying on track with your health goals. Crafting these special meals shows your family how much you care about their well-being while looking after yourself too.